So we will be seeing the assignment operators in C programming. So assignment, the basic assignment operator is equal to symbol. And other than that, we have different assignment operators like, so the basic is equal to symbol. Other than equal to, we have plus equal to, minus equal to, divide equal to, and modulus equal to. Also, we have multiplication equal to, which is asterisk symbol and followed by equal to. So equal to symbol will be assigning, this is called equal to symbol, and this is plus equal to addition and equal to symbol. So when we use equal to symbol, it will be assigning the RHS to LHS. So if A is a variable and B is a variable, the B variable value will be assigned to A in case of equal to symbol. So suppose A value is 5, suppose A equal to 5 and B equal to 10, and then we are performing A equal to B. Now A becomes 10. So result for this will be this. So when we are performing or using equal to symbol, the RHS will be assigned to LHS. So A value being A value 5 and B value 10, when we are using A equal to B, A value will be becoming 10. Next is plus equal to symbol. So in this case, if you are using A plus equal to B, so if A value is 5 and B value is 10, and we are using A plus equal to B, then it will be assigning to A plus B. So it will be same as A equal to A plus B. So now A value will become 5 plus 10, A plus 10, and it is again reassigned to A. So A plus equal to B is nothing but it is same as A equal to A plus B. So A equal to A value plus B value, which makes A value 15. So in this case, A value is 15. Same way, if you are using A minus equal to B, then A equal to A minus B, which will be making A equal to 5 minus 10, which will make A value minus 5. So similarly, A divide equal to B. So let's see this practically in a C language program. So assignment operators are used for assigning RHS value to LHS. So RHS is nothing but right hand side value. So RHS right hand side value to left hand side we will be assigning. So assignment operators are used for assigning RHS value to LHS. And in our case, A is LHS left hand side and B is on the right hand side. So in case of equal to symbol, B value is assigned to A. In case of plus equal to symbol, we are assigning A plus B to left hand side A. Similarly, A minus equal to B, we are assigning A minus B to A. Similarly, same with the other operators. So let's see it in a C language program. Now I will be starting the C language program using include stdio.h. So this is adding of header file to the C program. So I am adding standard input output header file, which contains printf and scanf functions in it. So void main is the starting point of execution. And in the main, I will be declaring two variables, int a equal to 5 and b equal to, let's take the same value 10. Now one by one I will be assigning and printing the a value. So first I am using a equal to b and I will be printing a value. So a is, so to print integer value within a string, we will be using a format specifier %d, and at the place of %d we want to substitute a value. So I am writing a after the comma. So with this line we are printing a value. When I use equal to symbol, b value will be assigned to a. Now when I print a value, first I need to compile it to run the program. Now b is not declared, sorry. We need to use comma for multiple variables, for separation of variables. So here I have 0 errors or 0 warnings, and when I run, I will be getting the result as a value 10. So but we have given a equal to 5. Because we have assigned b value to a, we are getting a value 10. So this is first assignment operator equal to, which we have used here. So for this, I'm taking this example. Now next is plus equal to. So for that, I am just changing the symbol here, plus equal to. Now let's compile and run at same time. Now I get a equal to 15. That is a plus b, 5 plus 10. So this is another example for the assignment operator plus equal to. Similarly, if I take a minus b equal to, then compile and run, a equal to a minus b. 5 minus 10 is minus 5. So we are getting a minus b as minus 5. So in case of minus equal to, we are getting minus 5 as the result. And same way the other operators like multiplication, division and modulus. So I am using here multiplication, compile and run. So a is 50. 5 into 10 is 50. So a multiplied by b is assigned to a. So that's the reason I'm printing a value, and we got the result as 50. So a value is 50 here. So this is an example for multiplication. Same way division, just I'm changing the symbols. So a divide equal to b. So a will be divided by 10, 5 by 10, and we will be getting some value in points, and it will be assigned to a. So the remainder will be 0. So we got the remainder value. Sorry, quotient value 0 point something we will be getting. So in case if I give here float a, if I declare as float, and 5 point something 0 and 10.0 if I give, and I need to change here the floating point. So 0.5 is the result. So it is the quotient. Whenever we divide, we get quotient as the result, and when we take out the modulus, we get the remainder as the result. So we got the division as 0.5, division value as 0.5. So in case of division, I have taken float type of a and b. Same way modulus I'm taking here. Now let's see what will be the remainder. So first compile and run. So invalid operands to binary. So here modulus equal to b, float we have taken. So let's make it integer because we are going to. perform the modulus. Now a value, remainder value 5 we are getting. So 5 divided by 10 and the remainder we will be getting upon division as 5. So let's take for proper understanding 10 as the a value and 2 as the. So we will be getting remainder as 0. And then if I take here 3, 1 I will be getting 3 3s are 9. So 1 is the remainder. So we will get 1 as the remainder. So modulus will be giving you the remainder. So this way we can use the assignment operators in C programming. Now let's see all the operators together. So first I am taking, so every time I want to modify this a and b value to 10 and 3, because whenever we apply the operation or symbol, it will be changing the a value. So first a is 10 and 3, modulus we are applying. So let's take equal to symbol first. Then again I have modified it to 10 and 3 because here a changes to 3. Then again I am making it minus equal to, plus equal to, divide equal to, modulus equal to. So every time I am modifying a value to 10 and 3. So we will be getting a value first time 3, then 7, then 13, then 3, and then 1. So this is the program for assignment operators, use of assignment operators in C programming language. So let's see the result again. So a equal to b, so a is 3. A minus b is 7. Then a plus b is 13. A divided by b, when we are dividing it, 3 is the quotient. 3 into 3 is 9. So 3 is the quotient. And here 1 is the remainder, a equal to 1. So this is how we get the result for assignment operator. So thank you for watching the video and please do subscribe the channel for more information on C programming topics.